होगा। कहाँ गया? Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so if we talk about this particular topic, so this topic individually very important. So insider trading, we all people have heard from the student feedback that is insider trading जो है वो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा important है. तो हम भी इसको बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा important है ऐसे ही पढ़ते हैं the same. Alright, so in this one we are hereby try to recap everything. इसको हम थोड़ा सा ऐसा communicative रखते हैं so what insider trading basically talks about. So I am also the first time reader and hope that you are also too, and we all people here together gather here to discuss and do the group study relating to the insider trading. Alright, तो SEBI prohibition of insider trading regulation 2015 किन बारों में किन किन बातों के बारे में बातें करता है, किन किन केसेस के बारे में बातें करता है, एवरीथिंग जो भी है. Insider trading involves dealing in a company's security on the basis of confidential information. What is insider trading? So insider trading involves dealing in a company's security. We are dealing in a company's security on the basis of हम कुछ confidential information, जो information बहुत ज़्यादा confidential है, कुछ उन बातों के बारे में which is not published or not known to the public, जो कि public को नहीं पता है, जो कि publish नहीं है, ऐसी information जो कि publish नहीं हुई है, जो कि जिन बातों के बारे में public को पता नहीं है, known as unpublished price sensitive information, जो कि क्या है, that is basically the unpublished price sensitive information है. UPSI, that is unpublished price sensitive information है, used to make personal profits or avoid loss, जो कि इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है ताकि पर्सनली कुछ प्रॉफिट हो पाए एंड अवॉइड लॉसेस को अवॉइड किया जाए. इस वजह से कुछ इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग्स हो रही है. SEBI PIT regulation puts in place a framework for prohibition of insider trading and security. What will be the definition? Regulation 2 किस बारे में बात करता है? Insider. Insider means any person who is in connected. हम क्या बोलते हैं? Who is. So what will constitute the insider trading? Insider क्या होता है? Insider means any person, कोई भी एक ऐसा person who is one a connected person or secondly is in a position of or having access to the unsensitive that is unpublished price sensitive information in possession of और having access, जो कि access कर रहा है unpublished price sensitive information. insider कौन होता है? कोई एक ऐसा person जो कि connected person हो और जो कि possession में हो और access कर रहा है unpublished price sensitive information को. Connected person means any person who has during the period of 6 months prior to the concerned act has been associated with the company in any capacity with its officer or by being in any contractual fiduciary or employment relationship or by being a director. कौन हो सकता है? With who is or has during the period of 6 months prior to the concerned act been associated with the person in any capacity with its officer or by being in any contractual fiduciary or employment relationship or by being a director, officer or any employee of the company by holding any position inclusive of professional business relationship, temporary or permanent, that allows its person access to the that is unpublished price sensitive information or is reasonably expected to allow such access. तो connected person means कोई भी एक ऐसा person who has during the period of 6 months prior to the concerned act been associated with the company in any capacity with its officer by being in any contractual fiduciary or employment relationship or by being a director, officer or an employee of the company by holding any position including the professional business relationship, temporary or permanent, that allows such person access to the unpublished price sensitive information is reasonably expected to allow such access. The person falling within the following categories shall be deemed to be the connected person. and an immediate relative of connected person is specified in clause 1. A holding or associate or subsidiary company, an intermediary as is specified in section 12 of the Act, or an employed director thereof. An investment company, trustee company, asset management company, or an employee or director. An official of a SE of or clearing house or corporation. Members of board of trustee of a mutual funds, or a member of the board of the AMC of a MF, or is an employee, member of the BOD, or an employee of a public financial institution, official or an employee of a self-regulatory organization recognized or authorized by SEBI, bankers of the company, a concern, firm, trust, HUF, company, or AOP, wherein a director or a company or his immediate relative or banker of the company has greater than 10% of the holding or interest. Relative means a spouse of a person and includes parents, sibling, and child of such person, or of any spouse and of whom is either dependent financially on such person or consultant such person is talking decision relating to trading in securities. Generally available information that is accessible to public on non-discriminatory basis. Any information published on the website of SE would ordinarily be considered generally available. Unpublished or price sensitive information means SECO information relating to securities or a company that is not generally available, which upon becoming generally available is likely to materially affect the price of securities, and ordinary includes but not restricted to the following information: financial results, dividends, change in capital structure, change in the key managerial personnel, mergers, demergers, acquisition, delisting, expansion of business, and such other transactions. Trading means an inclusive subscribing, redeeming, switching, buying, selling, dealing, and agreeing to subscribe, redeem, switch, buy, sell, deal in any securities, and trade shall be construed accordingly. Restriction on communication and trading by insiders, communication or procurement of unpublished price sensitive information, Regulation 3. No insider shall communicate, provide, or allow access to the unpublished price sensitive information relating to a company or securities listed or proposed to be listed to any other person, inclusive other insiders, except where such communication is in furtherance of legitimate purposes, performance of duties, discharge of legal obligation. No person shall procure from or cause the communication by an insider of the unsensitive price, that is the unpublished price sensitive information relating to the company or security listed or proposed to be listed, except for the above three purposes. A BOD, then comes the a BOD of listed company shall make a policy for determination of legitimate purpose as a part of Code of Affair, Disclosure and Conduct formulated under Regulation 8. Explanation: legitimate purpose shall inclusive sharing of unpublished price sensitive information in OCOB by an insider with partners, collaborators, lenders, customers, suppliers, merchant bankers, legal advisor, auditors, insolvency professionals, and other advisors or consultant done this evading or circumventing this regulation. Any person in receipt of unpublished price sensitive information pursuant to legitimate purpose shall be considered as insider, and due notice shall be given to such person to maintain confidentiality of such unpublished price sensitive information. And unpublished price sensitive information may be communicated, provided, allowed access to, or procured in a transaction that would entail an obligation to make an open offer under the takeover regulation, where the BOD of the listed company is of informed opinion that sharing of such information is in the best interest of the company. Not attract an obligation like a but, where BOD of listed company is of informed opinion that sharing of such information is in the best interest of the company, and the information that constitute the unpublished price sensitive information is disseminated to be made generally available at least 2 trading days prior to the proposed transaction being effected. For communication of UPSI, BOD shall require the parties to execute agreements to contract confidentiality and non-disclosure obligations. Such party shall keep the information received confidential and shall not trade in the securities of the company during the possession of UPSI, that is the unpublished price sensitive information. BOD, head of organization of every person required to handle the UPSI, shall ensure a structural digital database is maintained containing the nature of UPSI, name of the person who have shared UPSI, name of the person who have recorded the UPSI with the PIN. Such database shall not be outsourced and maintained internally with adequate internal control and checks. The SDD. The requirement to maintain SDT is applicable to listed company and intermediaries and fiduciaries who handle UPSI of a listed company. In the course of business operations, they shall record nature of UPSI, share details of the sender and receiver along with their PIN or other unique identifier in case of PIN is not available. Database servers provided by third-party vendors within outstanding India will be considered as outsourced. Records shall be updated in SDT as and when the information gets transmitted irrespective of the fact that information is shared within or outside the company. BOD head of organization required to handle UPSI shall ensure that SDT is preserved for a period of not less than 8 years after completion of relevant transactions, and in case of receipt of information from SEBI regarding the investigations, enforcement proceedings till the completion of such proceedings. Trading when in possession of UPSI Regulation 4. No insider trading in securities that are listed or proposed to be listed when in possession of UPSI. Explanation: when a person has traded who is in possession of UPSI, his trades would be presumed to have been motivated by knowledge and awareness of such information. Circumstances including the transaction is off market enters a transfer between the insider in possession of same UPSI with what is that? Breach of regulations. Third, and both parties made a conscious and informed trade decision, provided that such UPSI was not obtained under Regulation 3 by 3 of this regulation. Further, such off-market trades shall be reported by the insiders to the company within 2 working days. Every company shall notify the traders to SE within 2 trading days from receipt of disclosure becoming aware of information carried out through the block deal window mechanism between person in possession of same UPSI with effect breach of regulation 3, and both parties made a conscious and informed trade decision carried out pursuant to statutory regulatory obligation carried out pursuant to the exercise of stock options where exercise price was predetermined. In case of non-individual insiders, individual in possession of UPSI were different from individual taking trading decisions who were not in possession of UPSI. An appropriate and adequate arrangement were in place to ensure regulation are not violated and no evidence that such arrangement having breached. Pursuant to a trading plan set up in accordance with Regulation 5, the owners of establishing they were not in possession of UPSI would be on in case of connected person themselves and in case of others support SEBI. SEBI may specify such standards and requirements necessary for the purpose of this regulation. Trading Plans Regulation 5. An insider shall be entitled to formulate a trading plan and present it to compliance officers for approval and public disclosure pursuant to which trades may be made according to the plan. This provision intends to give an option to insider in possession of unpublished, price-sensitive information to trade in security. Such trading plan shall not entail commencement of trading on behalf of insider earlier than 6 months from the public disclosure of the plan. Not entail trading between 20th trading day prior to the last day of any financial period for which results are not required to be announced and second trading day after disclosure of such financial result. Entail trading for a period of not less than 12 months. Not entail overlap of any period for which another trading plan is already in existence. Set out either the value of trade to be factored or number of securities to be traded along with the nature of the trade and intervals at or dates on which such trade shall be factored. Not entail trading in securities for market abuse. Company क्या करेगी? Shall review the trading plan to assess for potential of any violation of regulation and be entitled to seek undertaking and to approve and monitor the implementation of plan, provided that pre-clearance of trade shall not be required for a pre-executed as per an approved trading plan. Provided further that trading window norms and restrictions or contra trade shall not be applicable for trade carried out in accordance with an approved trading plan. The trading plan, once approved, shall be irrevocable and mandatory have to implement the plan without being entitled to either deviate or execute any trade in the security outside the scope of the trading plan, provided that if UPSI imposition of insider at time of formulation has not become generally available at commencement, then commencement shall be deferred till such UPSI becomes generally available. Upon approval of the trading plan, company shall notify the plan to SE on which securities are listed. Then disclosure of trading by insiders, general provision of Regulation 6. Every public disclosure shall be made in such form as may be specified. Disclosure to be made by any person concerned, including the immediate relatives and other person for whom the person concerned take trading decision. Disclosure of trading in securities shall also include trading in derivatives of securities and the traded values of the derivatives, provided trading in derivatives permitted by any law for the time being in force. The disclosure shall be maintained by company for the minimum period of 5 years. Disclosure by certain persons, Regulation 7. Initial disclosure, every person and on appointment as KMP, director of a company or becoming a promoter, member of promoter group shall disclose his holding of security to company within 7 days of such appointment becoming a promoter. Continual disclosure, every promoter, member of promoter group, designated person, director shall disclose to company that the number of sections acquired disposed within 2 trading days. If the value of section traded whether in one or series of transactions over calendar year exceed rupees 10 lakh or other values as may be specified. Every company shall notify the particular of such trades to SC within 2 trading days of receipt of disclosure becoming aware of such information. Explanation, disclosure of each incremental transaction shall be made once the limit of rupees 10 lakh is crossed. Basically, if prior trades have crossed rupees 10 lakh, then all further trades shall be disclosed. The above disclosure shall be made in such form and such a manner as may be specified by SEBI upon filing disclosure under Regulation 72B. Each incremental transaction shall be disclosed after reaching rupees 10 lakh. Market rates of trade shall be taken for calculating the value of trades, and market price shall not be subtracted by commission, brokerage, etc. Disclosure to be filled irrespective of mode of acquisition except bonus issue received by way of scheme. This is also a lengthy one, but still we are thinking that insider trading is somehow shorter than the previous one. कौन से पेज पे है आप currently available? 11.55 हमें यहाँ से पढ़ना है 11.55 से हार्डली 8 पेज और है, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन है. So insider trading is about to complete. We are going to complete the scene. Disclosure by other connected person क्या है? Any company whose security are listed on SE Security Exchange made its discretion require any other connected person, class of connected person to make disclosure of its holding and trading in securities in such form and frequency in order to monitor the compliance with this regulation. Brief process flow of submission to the SEBI regulation, that is the 7B. An informal shall submit original information in voluntary information disclosure form VIDF to Office of Information Protection of SEBI, format and manner set out in Schedule D and may be submitted by legal representative. If not submitted through LR, SEBI may require informed to appear in person to ascertain his, her identify and veracity of information. Information while submitting the VIDF shall remove information that could be reasonably expected to reveal his identity. If removal of information not possible, then information may identify such information document in VIDF. Now comes the codes. Codes of Fair Disclosure Regulation 8. BOD of every listed company shall formulate and publish on its website a code of practice and procedures for disclosure of UPSI, that is the unlisted, that is the unpublished क्या था UPSI, that is unpublished personal sensitive जो भी थी personal that is the price sensitive information. In order to adhere to principles set out in Schedule A to this regulation, every such above code and amendment there to be promptly intimated to SC where sections are listed. Code of Conduct Regulation 9 BOD of every listed company or BOD head of organization of every intermediary shall ensure that CEO or MD shall formulate code of conduct to regulate, monitor and report trading by its designated persons and their immediate relatives for achieving compliance with this regulation. BOD head of organization of every other person who is required to handle UPSI shall formulate, monitor and report trading by their designated person and immediate relatives for achieving the compliance with this regulation. Every listed company intermediary is another person formulating a code of conduct shall identify and designate a compliance officer to administer the code of conduct and other requirements under these regulations. BOD shall, in consultation with companies, shall specify the designated person on the basis of their function and role in the organization, which would provide them with the UPSI and shall include the employees of listed companies or their material subsidiaries, intermediaries, or fiduciary or designated on the basis of their functional role or access to UPSI and the organization by their BOD or analogous body. All promoters of listed company and individual promoters of this for intermediaries or fiduciaries, penalty for insider trading refer section 15G of the SEBI Act 1992. पेनल्टी के लिए हमें फिर सेक्शन 15G को रेफर करना है. With this we have completed the chapter. अब ये क्वेश्चन जो है हमें पर्टिकुलरली अभी इतना समझ नहीं आएगा बिकॉज हमने प्लेन रीडिंग मारी है, तो हम ट्राई करेंगे इसे बाद में पढ़ने को. तो दिस इज what we can discuss hereby. Maybe it may be the plain reading, just plain reading from the Shubham Singhal sir notes, but still hope that it will be valuable for me, valuable for you, and valuable for everybody who is watching this one. All right, meet you in the next